Hello guys and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. For today's video, I will be showing you how to protect your privacy on Bigo Live. Okay. What you want to do is you want to first open up the Bigo Live app, and then you want to tap on me. Then you want to tap on the cog icon. Then after that, you want to tap on privacy, and then you just want to turn on what you want. So let's say you want to hide your location, you just want to tap on this. And then you want to hide your online status, tap on this. Hide your device model, tap on this. Hide your recent active time, tap on this. And if you don't want to be disturbed by strangers, tap on this. After turning on this function, you will not receive messages from strangers. Tap on open, and then it says here stranger messages collapse. So if you want that as well, just tap on this. After turning on this function, message sent to you by stranger will be placed in the stranger messages. Tap on open. Do not accept strangers line invitation. Tap on this. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.